Hey friends, if you wish to hide or stop red and blue underlines in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. Now I'll just go over it short. These blue underlines basically means that the word is grammatically incorrect, and the red underlines mean that the word is incorrect in the sense that the spelling is incorrect. For example, in this case, it wasn't incorrect that I use a space between between the last word and a full stop, but in American English this is not considered correct, but I want it that way. And as for this word flavor, it is correct as per British English. I usually use it, but in American English this is not considered correct. So if I want to do away with these red and blue lines, here's what the process will be. Click on File, select Options, go to the Proofing tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, uncheck both of these boxes and click on OK. And now these red and blue lines are all gone. So now there will be no grammatical or spelling check. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.